Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock favorite tool and grow a garden. Okay guys, I have just evaporated some of my fruits here, and I'm going to show you guys how we can unfavorite the fruits. Some of you maybe still do not know how to unlock the favorite tools. Okay, here for example, I'm going to unfavorite my balance paper. Okay, as you can see, the heart symbol here, it shows that I have already evaporated this fruit. Okay, and if we want to unvaporate it, we can go to our backpack, and then we're going to hold the evaporate tool on our hand. Okay, you can hold it, and then you can click on the plant or the fruit that you want to unvaporate. Okay, like this, and as you can see that I have already unvaporated my balance paper. Okay, that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!